My wife and I were walking down the street and I saw a sign in the ground, or on the ground, you know, the bag blew off. And there was this wire, so I chopped it off. And then I needed a .177 collet for it. So this is 4.5 millimeters. I want to make some screws. So 4.5 millimeters. I can do quarter-20. So I can do a quarter-20 rod. So I'm going to do a few of those. Practice stock. So if you need practice stock, and you just so happen to have a extended nose 177, I don't have. I got 172 and 187 in regular 5C, but man, that collet stock, like that bundle was such an amazing score. It's got good karma, I gotta say.